Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Zapier with Facebook Leads. To start the process, open your Google Chrome in your PC. Now search for Zapier. Here click on Zapier.com. Then click on Create Zap. Now click on Facebook Leads Ads. Click on Continue. Here you can check your Facebook username. Then click on Continue. From here, you can choose a value. Then select Fields Goal or whatever you want. You can select any form from here. Now click on Continue. Click on Test Trigger. As you can see, no lead was found. Then click on Skip Test. Here click on Skip Test. You can check the data from here. Now click on Action. Here click on Google Sheets. Then choose an event. Click on Continue. You can connect to Google Sheets by signing in. Then click on Add Account to continue. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.